For this apartment, we deliberately chose materials not typically found in residential settings. Instead, we source them from industrial suppliers, a direction we've been exploring in our work for some time. This approach allows us to introduce unexpected design elements using materials that are often more durable and efficient than standard domestic options. We wanted to create a flexible space that allowed us to host dinners, events, and even photo shoots. We also wanted the space to act as a neutral backdrop for our art and furniture, while giving us the opportunity to test and refine our own design ideas. My name is Eduardo Mediero, and I'm the founder of HANGHAR, an architecture firm based in Madrid. I designed this apartment and live here with my partner, Pelayo. The apartment is located in Madrid's Almagro district. Almagro is one of Madrid's most elegant neighborhoods, known for its historic architecture, embassy-lined streets, and peaceful yet central location. The building was constructed in the 1970s and has always been a residential building. It consists of 1 to 2 bedroom apartments occupied by mainly young couples. The apartment is on the 5th floor, and we have uninterrupted views of the sky, the city, and nearby rooftops, including that of a 19th century monastery directly across from the building. There were a series of large, bulky built-in cabinets dividing the apartment. There were 2 small balconies that we couldn't really use due to their small size and triangular shape. The apartment had 2 main rooms, a living room, and a bedroom. We stripped the apartment back to its bare structure. We reclaimed the 2 small triangular balconies to extend the interior footprints. We switched the living room and sleeping area in order to have a larger common area and a smaller, cozier bedroom. 2 large units were added to divide the space. They integrate the sleeping area and concentrate all of the home's storage.
It's freaky deaky, and it's oh so fine. We have it all. How does design stir our feelings and drive our connections to places, to our precious histories, and to each other? Jack Chen and Heidi Wong of Tsai Design show us how to transform awkward spaces into elegant instruments for living. See what happens when Dutch artist/designer Bert-Jan Pot's hands surprise his head. Learn how third world grit and a hell ton of plants can preserve the living culture of our cities. The unsung brilliance of the bench. How to embrace the awkwardness of apartment building communities. Walls bursting with colour and nostalgia. And don't worry, there are small homes too. A domestic prototype in San Sebastian, a rejection of minimalist aesthetics in Rome, and a Paris apartment that brings outdoor bathing in. And cushions that are less cushions and more your new best friend. There's still so much more inside, including the Instagram sensation 10-1 from Bogdan Girbovan, resplendent in print. Subscribe now to get yours with free worldwide shipping. Stop it.
The entrance opens directly into the apartment. The first thing you see is the large, deep green MDF furniture-like cabinet that holds the bedroom and all of the home's storage. The living and dining area was created to feel more open and undefined, a flexible space that is used for different activities. We chose a soft Pirelli rubber flooring that is usually used in mechanic workshops, so it is very durable and easy to clean. We covered the entire ceiling of the apartment in steel panels that are often found in flexible or modular office ceiling systems. Both surfaces reflect light, helping to amplify the sense of space. In the living room, the MDF storage unit acts as a divider between the bedroom. Thanks to the raised floor in the bedroom, we were able to add drawers on the living room side, giving us more storage for household items. We decided not to extend the storage unit to the wall so it doesn't break the panoramic views. This gives the bedroom 2 entrances, which allows us to circle freely around the apartment. We love Vitra's anagram sofa and its flexibility thanks to its clip-on sides. This allows us to modify the space as we wish and adapt to our various needs. We've used the Eames walnut stool and John Privé's steel stools as coffee tables. We love the flexibility that these provide, and we love to move away from the conventional table. Isamu Noguchi's HANGHAR lamp creates a soft glow for the evenings. We hid the air conditioner into the wall and made cutouts for the airflow, and we thought it was a nice way to keep the walls clean. The windows have industrial aluminum blinds that were intended for outdoor use. We love how it ties in with the industrial feeling of the apartment. We wanted a large dining table to host dinners, so we chose one with a marble top that is large enough for 6 guests. The Artec stools are low and so easy to stack and move around the apartment. When we host large dinners, we can use the extra chairs around the apartment. The kitchen is tucked away in a nook by the entrance. Another MDF storage unit was added here to separate it from the bedroom and provide storage for the kitchen. This unit also hides the washing machine. As this corner of the apartment is quite dark, we left a gap between the MDF storage unit and the ceiling to allow natural light from the bedroom to pass into the kitchen. The kitchen is made from stainless steel, and it was sourced from an industrial kitchen manufacturer. It is raised from the floor to appear more like furniture and less heavy. Although it is compact in size, the kitchen has everything we need: an induction stove, a dishwasher, and a large sink. The suspended tube lights in the kitchen and entrance were sourced from the farming industry, so they are very functional while also being weatherproof. The bedroom is our own very studiolo. We created a platform to elevate it off the ground. The idea was to construct the feeling of a small box within a larger space, rather than to create a partition that divides spaces. It is made from raw lacquered MDF. With sun exposure, the cabinet's original green has gradually faded into a warmer tone. Inside, it houses all of our belongings in a series of cabinets, neatly storing everything from our clothes and linen to kitchen appliances and everyday essentials. The entrance to the bathroom is hidden behind an unassuming door in the living room. The bathroom is fully covered in white tiles on the walls, floor, and ceiling. I found a fun stainless steel sink that was bought from a sports facilities manufacturer. It uses these pedals on the floor to turn on the taps. It makes washing our hands a little more exciting. We like the idea of having no clothes storage in the bathroom, and that is why we hid the shaving cabinet and everything in the niche. Living in a small space was not something I had previously decided. For me, it's not so important the amount of square footage that an apartment has, but the quality of the space.
Sign up to our newsletter for subscriber-only content and exclusive offers. Visit nevertoosmall.com/subscribe.